Right, MYT sliding door. Unwrap all your panels, unwrap your sideboards. This is the right sideboard up here. You've got a couple of little fixing holes here for later. Down the bottom, sideboard left. Run your bottom board with a large section at the back. This is a triple slider and a triple stacker in a closed position. There's your other sideboard. And we're going to face mount onto the door there. There's a couple of the mounting strips in the ground here. So you'll notice in the mounting strip there's a really long one. That'll go across the face on the architrave. You measure down 19 millimeters and pin that off onto the architrave full width. And then the two other smaller ones that you can see here, they'll be your vertical mount strips which we'll put onto the architrave up the sides for the sideboards later to butt up against the side of. Over here we have the main headboard, face headboard, and you've got a notch section out here, and the notch section here will sit, the mount strip across the top we're going to mount will sit in this little pocket. This extra piece here, everybody throws them out on the extra piece. There's an extra piece at full width designed, we supply it for you whether you need it or not. And later on, if you were to do a job on a concrete wall or something and there was no architrave, so there's actually no ledge here on top, you can mount straight up onto a concrete wall and you use that extra mount strip on top of the headboard. You can decide whether you want it, whether you need it or not. If your headboard is drooping quite a lot, across, this is a 2850 wide, headboard should be no problem with droop at all.